happy Monday. All right, so every Monday I love sharing machine quilting with you. And I actually have this brand new series coming up where I'm going to be showing you 99 different ways to machine quilt 2-inch strips. This has been such a fun series for me to create. It's really pushed me, and the more I create, I feel like the more creative I become. So keep on practicing. Anyways, this series is coming soon, and you can find all of the details about it over on our website. But as I was quilting through my designs, I ended up having a few extra strips down at the bottom of the panel that I'm quilting on. And I thought, you know what, why not create more designs in these 2-inch strips? And I'm having a lot of fun just pushing myself to create more and more designs. Today I'm quilting out these fun little free motion pumpkins. I've actually never quilted pumpkins, I don't think, on a sashing or a little border like this, but they would be so cute on the right quilt. So I'm going to bring you down here and show you exactly how I quilt these out. Okay, so I did already start out and quilt a couple of these pumpkins just to make sure that what I had in my brain was going to quilt out the way I thought it would, and it is, so let's quilt out a couple more. So what I'm doing is I'll start over on the side, and from where I am, I'll repeat this same process, and I'm going to stitch a little curl traveling to the point where I will start my pumpkin. So let's do that. And where is that point? Anywhere you want it to be. If you want a tall pumpkin, make it up here more. If you want more of a wide pumpkin, make it lower. Anyways, mine is probably like an inch away from the edge of that previous pumpkin. Now I'm going to stitch kind of an oval shape to create the outside of the pumpkin. And then fill it in with a couple of curved lines to give it dimension. Then I'll add a stem and a little curl as I'm moving to travel to the next one. I love those pumpkins. I love how those pumpkins are turning out. It was such a fun design. I could totally see using this on a lot of different quilts. Like I said, I do have an awesome new series coming where I'll be teaching you how to machine quilt 99 different 2-inch designs using free motion quilting and ruler quilting. I'm super excited about this. You can find all of the details over on our website. But before you head over there, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I will be back next Monday with another machine quilting video.